What if I told you that the secret to weight loss could be as simple as increasing your fiber intake? Yes, you heard it right. Fiber, the part of plant foods your body can't digest, plays a crucial role in weight loss. Now let's dive into the science behind this fascinating fact. Think of fiber as a sponge in your digestive system. It absorbs water and expands, adding bulk to your diet. This expansion tricks your stomach into believing it's full, making you feel satiated sooner. And the best part? This feeling of fullness lasts longer, keeping those pesky hunger pangs at bay. But the magic of fiber doesn't stop there. By making you feel full, it helps you reduce your overall calorie intake. Imagine you could be eating less without feeling like you're on a strict diet. Sounds like a dream, right? Now, fiber comes in two types, soluble and insoluble. Each has its own unique role in promoting weight loss. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your gut, slowing down digestion. This slow ride gives your body more time to absorb nutrients and reduces the chance of overeating. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, which aids in regular bowel movements and helps you maintain a healthy weight. So, in essence, fiber acts as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you control your weight without feeling deprived. Fascinating, isn't it? Now that we've uncovered the science, let's sum it all up. Fiber, the unsung hero of our diet, plays a pivotal role in weight loss. It keeps you full for longer, curbing those midday snack cravings and reducing your overall calorie intake. It's like your body's natural appetite suppressant without the side effects. But the benefits of fiber don't stop at weight loss. It also aids in digestion, maintains bowel health, and can lower cholesterol levels. So it's not just about shedding pounds, but also about promoting overall health. So how can you increase your fiber intake? It's easy. Reach for whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Swap your refined grains for whole ones, and you've got an easy win. Remember, weight loss isn't about deprivation, it's about making smarter choices. And adding more fiber to your diet is one smart choice you can start making today. Now that we know the benefits of fiber, let's talk about where to get it. First up, whole grains. Oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of fiber. They're easy to incorporate into your meals, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Next, fruits and vegetables. Not only are they packed with vitamins and minerals, but they also provide a good amount of fiber, especially when you leave the skin on. So, next time you're reaching for that apple, think twice before peeling it. And let's not forget about legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, these are all fiber powerhouses. They're not only delicious, but also versatile. You can add them to soups, salads, or even use them as a meat substitute in your favorite dishes. Incorporating these fiber-rich foods into your diet is not only easy, but also enjoyable. You don't have to sacrifice taste for health. Remember, weight loss is about making smart choices, and choosing foods high in fiber is a step in the right direction. So go on. Add some fiber to your plate and reap the benefits for weight loss and overall health.